Hi viewers, I am going to do pasta, a baked pasta. I am sure when you say pasta, everybody says that they know how to make pasta. There are so many ways of making pasta. So now we will see how we are going to make it. This pasta preparation, take a big bowl, pour water, add a little salt and a little butter, a teaspoon of butter, and boil it. When the water comes to boil, you add the pasta, uncover, that means don't cover, you boil it for 8 minutes till it becomes soft. Once it's boiled and it becomes soft after 8 minutes, don't cover it. The steam has to go. Then strain it, don't wash it. That water could be used if you like, when we are using milk, when we are using tomato sauce, that water also can be used. It's very tasty. So either you use that water or you just leave it out, but don't wash the pasta. Now we will see how we are going to make it. Add a little oil first. Once we add the oil, we have to use the capsicum and then boiled minced meat we add. Either chicken or mutton can be used. Stir fry. Now you add the tomatoes into it. Into this I am adding a little salt, a little turmeric and a little pepper. That's all we need for this. And we need milk. Now when it getting tempered, add the milk. We need 1.5 cups of milk. First I use 1 cup of milk. Half a cup I keep it separately. Nicely mix it. Now into that I will put this pasta which I have already boiled. I am using tomatoes, tomato sauce or tomato puree. I prefer to add a little more milk, and mainly I want cheese. Half the quantity of cheese I am adding now. Balance we will add it later. Mix it nicely. 1 dessert spoon of corn flour. Lastly, you add the corn flour. Now I need a little butter. Goes very well. Now see what I am going to do. Take this out, dish it out into a Pyrex. So if you like, you can bake it and take parsley. The balance cheese is added. And if you like, you can use a little olives. Stuffed olives we use. This is the preparation that you have to use. You can use more tomatoes and more milk you can use, and of course you can prepare it like this, and if you like you can serve it as it is, or you can even serve baking it for about 5 minutes. This is called as pasta or macaroni. Could be served for dinner time. The children will love it, and not only that, if you prepare it in the proper way, the whole family will love to have a meal like this. Prepare like this and see how it comes.